real quick. All right, now we're gonna lay the bass down on this one, and as last time, I'm gonna try to keep it real slow, because the first, series, it was like 16 minutes, man, so we can't be doing that. That's way too much space. I just gotta find a good bass sound. And this is from a template. I already had all of these sounds loaded up, but I can't hear it. Okay. I can adjust it later. I just need to hear it, so I can record the right bass line. Make sure I'm in key. I'm gonna change the bass though. Get this out the way. Alright. Contact is like, hold on. I think I got another one. Might be able to cut through a little better. This is already filtered, so yep. Uh-oh. 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 No, that was the wrong key. Messing up, Junior. Yeah. No. Damn. All right, just let me lay this down real quick. There it is. All right. All right, let me adjust this. Yeah. All right. Let me consolidate this real quick. I don't know why Abelton does that. So far, so good. But I just want that bass to sit better in the mix. Let me see. Let me turn this on. All right. Yeah, okay. Now with this, I mean, for my liking, you can do it whichever way you want to, but I always want to see like -3 dB of gain reduction, and then I use the board, and just, bring the volume up with that once I get my dynamics right. Yeah, I'll bring it up on that. Yeah, that's cool. It's a little too loud, but like I said, I can adjust all this stuff later. And I use these SSLs so I can stay sharp. Going to the next tutorial.